It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to buy multiple goods from a store in 1688 Chinese shopping app. And this promises to be a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. Before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. I welcome you back to another interesting tutorial on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to buy multiple goods from a store on 1688, and this is promised to be a step-by-step guide tutorial. So let's find out. The very first thing you want to do is open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my 1688 shopping app, just like so. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, the next thing you need to do is to look for the particular products and the particular store that you want to buy multiple items from them, and then see how we can simply add those items to cart and go ahead and make a purchase with our Alipay. Okay, so there are so many ways to source for supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. One of the easiest way is to come to the top right here, and what you need to do right there is to type in the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for baby clothes. I will click on here and type in baby clothes. Then I'll hit on search. Once you hit on search, you are going to see similar result of baby clothes from different supplier across China. So the more you scroll down, the more the products is going to load up from different supplier in China, just like what you see right here. Then from here, you can simply select any supplier and go ahead and visit their store, just like so. All right, so once you click on any supplier link, it's going to load up into their first sales page, just like what you see right here. So this particular supplier right here, I'm going to buy more from their store. So you can scroll down right here and see some of the products in their store. This is one of what I'm going to buy, and this is one of what I'm going to buy. This is one of them. But first thing for, we need to add them to cart one after the other. So from this particular one right here, I need just one piece of this. And for me to add it to cart, I have to make sure I click on here. And this is going to pump up. Here, I need to make sure I choose the color I want, right? So let's say, for instance, I need this particular color here. I need just one piece in 90 centimeter. I have to make sure I click on here to add just one to cart. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. The next thing I need to do is to simply scroll down right here and head over to the store right here. I make sure I click on this one right here. I need just one from here or so. I click on it and it's open up like so. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then from this same store, I need this one also. I need just one piece of 90 centimeter. I will make sure I click on here to add it to cart. Then once I add it, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to add it to cart. Just like so. I have to simply scroll down again and go back to the store. I need from this particular one right here. I will click on that. Then this is going to open up. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to add it to cart also. Then from here, I need this one right here, up and down. Then I need it to be 90 centimeter or so. And I'll make sure I click on here to successfully add it to cart. So you can go on and check on different style from the store right here and add as many as possible products to cart. After you have successfully add all the products to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to fill your cart. So let's check it out. Then you're going to see all the products in cart, just like what you see right here. So about 5 different styles from a single store. Now let's see how we can simply go ahead and purchase the product. First is for make sure you click on here. So once you click on that, it's going to automatically select all these products from the same store, just like what you see right here. Then having select everything, next thing you need to do is to make sure you contact the supplier before you go ahead and make a purchase, because not every product you see on the sales page or the product you have in your cart are actually available in store. So for you to contact the supplier, first thing first, after you have successfully add everything to cart, make a screenshot of the product from the cart right here. Then having make a screenshot, next thing you need to do is to click on the product link. So simply click on the product link right here. Then after you click on the product link, it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to contact the store. Then this dialog box here is going to open up like so. Simply click on here to send the product link, just like so. Now you will be given some of the auto response. Right here, this is where you need to contact the supplier and ask them if they actually have the product in store before you go ahead and place the order. So I'm going to simply exit from here. And then first thing for, we need to make sure you have this particular app on your phone. It is called Translate, Google Translate. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, you can simply download it from your Play Store for every Android user. And if you are using iPhone, download it from your App Store. So once you download Google Play Store, next thing you need to do is to click on here and to run the app setup. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure this language right here should be English language, while this one here should be in Chinese. So right here, I'm going to simply click on here and type and say, hello, please, do you have these items selected available in store? I want to order now. It's that simple. Click on here to copy the text. Then you have to go back to your 1688 right here. Click and hold down, paste and send the message. Next thing you want to do is to upload the screenshot so the supplier will be aware of the quantity and the color, the style you selected so far. For you to do that, simply click on this plus sign right here. Having clicked on that, you can see they are available. They reply me instantly. Click on your picture right here. Select the picture, hit on send. Then once they saw everything you have been selected, they will assure you that the product is available in store. So you can see they have already read my chat right here. So I'm waiting for their response. But this is their first response right here. What we want to do is to see what exactly the supplier is trying to say right here. If you don't understand Chinese character, that is never a problem. So just follow this step and see how you can simply translate into whatever language of your choice. So the first step you need to take is to make a screenshot. Then after you make a screenshot, next thing you need to do is to exit from your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then you have to make sure you head over to your Chrome browser. So you have to go to Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. Then from your Chrome browser, after you open up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Next thing you need to do is to click on this camera icon. The next thing you need to do is to choose translate. The next thing you need to do is to click on the screenshot. Select the screenshot you just made. And it's going to scan, and you can see here they have the product in store. That's simple. If you don't understand English language, you want to translate from Chinese to whatever language, click on English right here. So when you click on English right here, you see more different languages that you can simply translate into. It's that simple. So select any of the language you understand right here. That will make you understand what the supplier is trying to say. So since the product is available in store, the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make payment with our Alipay. I'm going to exit from here now. Then go back to my 1688 right here. Okay. So you can see another response from them. I'm going to screenshot again and make sure that I understand what they are trying to say completely. So if we make a screenshot, I will exit from here. Then go back to my translate right here. Then I will go back again. I will select the new screenshot, allow everything to translate, then place an order there. So you can see right here, they have the product in store. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and tell them, okay. So I'm going to click on my text right here and type in okay from my Google Translate. I'll make sure I click on here to copy the Chinese character, go back to my 1688 right here. Then I'll click and hold down. I'll paste the text I will send. It's that simple. Now let's see how we can simply place the order and make payment straight with our Alipay. I'm going to simply go back right here. Go back. Then here I'm back to my cart right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed. Then we have every items right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from a single store. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on here to proceed to checkout. Then here we enter our payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. Then you can see from my cart right here, the product is no longer be here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to go back. Back and back and back. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. It's that simple. Now you see one notification simply because the product was purchased from a single store. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to order multiple goods from a single store on 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.